Hello, third graders. Welcome to lesson 2 of week 2. We're going to be still talking about money. By the way, found my $10 bill. Wonder where that went. Anyway, we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing our money. So when we multiply or divide, we're still going to be using a decimal point. In your book, however, on page 81, it says to remember to change the dollars to cents, and they take away the decimal point. This is an extra step that you really don't need to do, and it makes it kind of confusing. So I want you guys to follow along with me. We're going to be doing these problems together. So I'm going to do problem A together. We're going to be doing 216. We're going to be multiplying it by 7. Okay, so 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. We're going to be carrying down our decimal point right here. 7 times 2 is 14, plus another 1 is 15. So we get $15.12. And it says on A, it has a dollar sign. So it does want you to write it in dollars and cents. So the quickest way to do this is to just keep your decimal point and not change all of the money. So like on B, 4.80, don't take the decimal away, keep it, because it's really confusing otherwise. On your next page, we're going to be multiplying, but with a word problem. So with our word problems, remember, we have to read our word problems really carefully so we know what they're talking about. But you guys already should know by now that all these word problems are dealing with multiplication because we're not moving on to division just yet. So on problem 2, on your page 82, it says 1 bag of carrots costs $1.58. Mother bought 8 bags. So we're going to multiply that by 8. How much did she pay all together? So remember, I want you to keep your decimal point so that it doesn't get too confusing. So 8 times 8 is 64. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 6 is 46. Keep your decimal point. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. So all together, she pays $12.64 for all the carrots. We're going to do one more multiplication problem together. The price of a bus ticket is $3. What is the total price of 5 tickets? So you're going to multiply by 5. So one way you can do this when we deal with zeros is you can actually just multiply 3 times 5, which is 15, and then use your decimal point. Because 5 times 3 is 15. So we know actually that she spent $15 on all of the tickets. But if you want to do it, break it down and not do it that way, we can still get the same answer. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. Put the decimal point. 3 times 5 is 15. You still get the same answer. That was just a shortcut to deal with if you're just dealing with 2 different digits and then 0. With division, it's a little different, but we're going to be still using our decimal point. So on problem A, on page 83, it says we're going to divide 5.34, so $5.34, and divide it by 3. So we have $5.34. We're going to divide it by 3. Well, 3 goes into 5 one time. We're going to carry up our decimal point. 5 minus 3 is 2. Carry down the 3. 3 goes into 23 how many times? Well, 3 times 7 is 21. So we're going to put the 7 right above the 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. We're going to carry down the 4. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Goes in evenly. So we know $5.34, $5.34 divided by 3 is $1.78. So if you were to split $5.34 between 3 people, each person would get $1.78. So carrying the decimal point is key. On our next page, we're going to be doing a word problem with division. It says the total price of 3 boxes of breadsticks is $9.21. You're going to put that right under here. $9.21. What is the price of 1 box of breadsticks? So the total price of 3 boxes of breadsticks is $9.21. So in order to find the price of 1 box of breadsticks, we have to divide it by 3. Because 3 boxes is going to equal this. So we're going to divide it in. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Carry the decimal point. 9 minus 9 is 0. Carry the 2. 3 goes into 2 0 times. Then we're going to take the 1. Carry the 1. 3 goes into 21 7 times. So each box of breadsticks is going to cost us $3.07. All right, we're going to do one more problem together. If Emily pays $7.55 for 5 stickers, how much does each sticker cost? Well, we're going to divide it by 5 again to find out the cost of 1 sticker. 5 goes into 7 1 time. 7 minus 5 is 2. We're going to carry that decimal point up here. Carry the 5 down. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 25 minus 25 is 0. Carry the 5. So we have another 5. 5 goes into 5 1 time. So each sticker is going to cost $1.51. Making sure you carrying your decimal point every time you divide will make sure that you get the correct answer. All right, I hope that this video helped with these problems, and if you guys have any questions, be sure to reach out. Thank you so much.